What's going on, guys? On today's episode, I'm going to show you my new rims. So let's get into it. So right here are the Vors VR8s. I got these from fitmentindustries.com. The one thing that I did do to these wheels is I vinyl wrapped the center caps, put the little Chevy logo on there. It's going to look killer. For the tires, it's a Nitto NT555 G2s. These tires are absolutely sick. Going to lay down some good traction. And so for the tire size, it's a 245 40 18. It's gonna look so good. So let me show you the one I got in the garage. Well, this one's under the light already. As you can see, I did think of going with a couple different pairs of rims. At first, I wanted to get the C5 replica rims and then the Stingray rims, Z06 rims. I looked at everything. I was even photoshopping some of the rims onto my car, so I'm gonna put those up right now so you guys can see like how I was like looking at everything. I did find these on fitmentindustries.com, and I just knew I had to have them. They were a little bit more than the C5, so hopefully they turn out good. This one is the Hyper Black with the machine lip. At first, I was gonna go with the machine lip with the silver, but when I went to go purchase them, they were out of stock, so maybe it was destiny that I got these ones. And putting them up next to the car earlier, I think it's going to be the perfect match. So let me show you what else I got. This is a BMW rim, so I did have to get some hub centrical rings. I'm going to put those on. And then I got some brand new lug nuts, this gloss black. So without saying any more, let's get this thing jacked up and put these new wheels on. Let's go. Okay, we got all the wheels on except for one, because I wanted to show you guys the comparison here. Here's the old wheel, and there's the new wheel. So you really tell the difference here. Alright, all the wheels are on. Last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some of this Exoforma Perma-Shine tire coating on a little sponge here. I'm going to shine these tires up. Alright guys, now that the wheels are on, I got them out here in the sun, so let's check them out. And these look so good on this car. This makes this car look a million times better. It's like these wheels were made for this car. They look so good. I am really happy that I went this route. Like I said, I was going to go with the C5 replica rims at first, but I knew that I probably wouldn't have loved them forever. These wheels, absolutely perfect for this car. I am super in love with the way these look. Let's go to the other side. Yeah, these wheels are absolutely sick. It's an 18x9. They just fit the car so well. And the hyper black in the middle matches the top really well. Couldn't have gone any better. Really. And before anybody says anything, I do have lowering springs, so this car will be most likely lowered in the future. So probably not right away, but I do have the lowering springs, so we can do that in a future video. So that's gonna do it for the end of this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
You